Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you.
And by the way, I do have a whole presentation on the Flow Design Architects YouTube channel where I walk everybody through the process, step from the beginning to the end. From when I first meet with the client all the way to when it's implemented and how I still remain relevant after the project is completed because I want to continue to be relevant. So that's what I mean, like I probably should teach a mini MBA because and I deal with the same problem, by the way. There's many layers to the problem. Like a regular person that speaks the same language may not understand our process anyway, but there is also another person from another country. There are cultural barriers, like mindset barriers. So Flow Design Architects, I also call it like the United Nations, because we're probably the most diverse firm per chair, per desk within the entire country. And we have to learn to communicate among ourselves and understand how, and that empathy, listening. I do speak a lot, but I actually listen more. And be able to like do that, it takes patience, but it makes us all better. So if you see all of that as an investment, because I could give up on all my Brazilian global clients, right? But I'm like, no, Darwin. It's a challenge. You're gonna walk out of here better. We're all gonna walk out of here better. And you're not even, there are the heroes. I'm not the hero, right? So I think we're closing out.